How to cancel a scheduled bill payment in Regions Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to stop a bill payment, well here is how to cancel a scheduled payment in Regions Bank online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here, simply log in using your credentials and once logged in on the main dashboard, you simply have to click Bill Pay to see all upcoming and past payments. And here you simply have to find the scheduled payment you want to cancel and after that you can simply click cancel payment or delete and confirm your cancellation. And with that, Regions will remove the payment from the schedule. And with that, you can also double check the payment no longer appears in your upcoming payment list. And that's it. That's how you can cancel your scheduled bill payment in Regions Bank online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.